Mpozzi ate era nga tukyali ku moments za birthday parties oba abantu abadde ne birthdays olunaku lw'eggulo, ne mwana muwala Sasha Brighton naye olunaku lw'eggulo yabadde birthday ye, era ng'olunaku lwe lwafuyiddwa olw'enjawulo abayimbi ab'enjawulo. Mpozzi ate ne mikwano gye bwe gyamusindikidde videos ez'enjawulo nga bamuyimbira obubaka bwa birthday. Mu bamuweereza obubaka mwe mwabadde ba Ghetto Triplet Kids, Mpozzi ate ne Grace Can ate n'abantu abalala bangi nnyo. Kankuteereko video zino osobola okubeera nga obekkaanya.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sasha Brighton. Happy birthday to you. Hey, Sasha Brighton. We are the Triplet Ghetto Kids. We want to wish you a happy, brilliant birthday.
We love you so much.
Enjoy your day. Blow out the candles and live longer.
Much love.
We love you, Yama.
Manyi chimunti Sasha Brighton ya singo bulungi abasigadde tondetela akokeka somwe tereka masanyu gange ndakufa nawe Sasha ngenda kufa nawe. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sasha. Happy birthday to you. Hi, Sasha. This is Grace Canio, the diva, your one and only sister. Happy birthday, honey. I love you so much. And this message comes from Shonga, the one and only Mula Wangu. Take it.
Tikawomera ngamba gwe kawomera so lucky truly you're so lucky tewejusa. Anyway, happy birthday my beautiful Sasha Brighton. You're loved, you're such a darling, a sweet person. Really, everyone who has you, they are so blessed to have you. So I pray that this new age brings a lot of good blessings, good vibes, I mean positive vibes, and good music, and probably twins. I can't wait to see you have twins. Mchala Shonga, Mchala Habat Shonga, Oba Habib Shonga. Happy birthday from Rapi.
Happy birthday, Sasha. I know it's a quarantine birthday, but I pray that God will give you whatever you want, and God will give you more years of happiness, years of joy, years of love, and may the Lord increase you and give you the desires of your heart. Happy quarantine birthday.